There she is. Lovely. Oh, yes. Anyway. Right then. Rear wheel bearing. Just pop these in there. Hold on to them. But by me showing you how to assemble this, should you'll be able to see how one come apart if you're on about doing this job anyway. And it's a doddle. So I've got my old one. Editor, trip to the rattly wheel, please. That'll just be a completely dead wheel bearing, will it? Got my new one. First thing, let's unpackage these and make sure they look the same. Make sure the bolt holes line up. Bit of a difference. That's got like a shroud on it, that one hasn't. Don't think that'll matter, we shall see. Right, yeah, you won't believe how easy this is. I'm going to put a touch of copper grease on that. Slide that straight on over there, and then you bolt it in with these 4 bolts from the back. This was all thoroughly cleaned. I don't think there's an up and a down. Yep, that's it. You need a 19 short for these. 19 short 3/8 drives that I used. This bottom left one from this side is by far and away the hardest one to get at. There's no room. You have to use your short socket, short socket, a long extension with a bit of a wobble on it, then go around the back of your shock absorber to get it. You can do it though. It's not hard. As with all good engineering practices, tighten them up, all like nip them all, and then we'll do that one because it's hardest first, then that one, then dive. Put this nut back on the drive shaft. All you need to do is push it through a little bit like that. So you hear it just knock against the back. Screw that entirely on, and then fit your split pin through after. Easy. Centre nut on, split pin back through, pushed round. Really annoyed actually, the picture said I should get a new split pin. I didn't, so I've had to reuse the old one. Wish I'd have bought a new one. I'll have to sort it out one day. You want to make sure this is nice and clean, because anything on here that upsets your upsets the flatness of it will get transferred to the brake disc, transferred to your steering wheel when you brake, and to your wheel, so you get a right wobble. Handbrake off. Take 3. Wheel nut back on. Handbrake off. Split pin back through. Brake disc back on. Lovely. Still a bit of play in there, that's good. Epic wheel back on. I didn't curb this wheel. Right, let's drop this car down. And while you're with me, do you reckon I should do a 20 to 70 on this thing? Or 0 to 60? I think so. Such a cool bus. 3.5 litre. I'll get that back together. I've got to go out. And then I will do a review on this, I reckon. I'll add it. I need to do my leaderboard and stuff. But thanks for watching. See you in a bit.